Hey guys, it's Kara with Mark and Kara's Adventures. Today we are going to be making homemade banana bread. And we got our little helper with us today. You say hi? No? Okay. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Can you go through that, hon? Turn to 350. Yep. And then you want to take your 4 overripe bananas and mash those in a separate little bowl. Yep. Say hi.
We're filming.
Say hi. Okay, and then while she's mashing up those bananas, I'm just gonna soften up my butter a little bit. And we're gonna be using a 1/2 cup of butter.
Last time I spilled the butter. It was just a huge chunk.
Yep, perfect, that's good. Be nice and soft. And then we're gonna need the brown sugar and the regular sugar.
Mom, where's regular sugar?
On the counter, honey, the jar.
Oh. I think this is brown sugar.
You got it.
Light brown sugar. And sugar doesn't have one of these. Do that.
Okay, and then you can go ahead and we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of each of those sugars. I think there's one in here. There's some right here.
Let's try that.
Yep, you have your fork. You can use this one right here.
Go.
Yep. Now you can go ahead and scrape those in.
This.
Yep. All right. Then we'll go ahead and add the bananas in with the butter and the sugars. We're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. That and 2 eggs. It's alright. Okay, we're gonna do the flour, hon? So we're gonna do 1.5 cups of flour, and we're using a 1/4 cup here. So we have to do 6 of these, okay?
Okay, 6 small ones.
6 full ones, yeah. And then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. This one. Yep. 1/2 teaspoon, yeah. Okay. I would put it right on top of the flour like that. I put it in the flour and then one of those. Really low, but not leaking. Perfect. Good. And one of those of salt. So 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Yep.
I'm gonna mix it.
Now you mix it all. And while she's mixing, I'm just gonna grease the pan. That's it.
I think what else?
And just preheat it, ready to go. Alright, let's add a few chocolate chips before we finish mixing it all the way. We're gonna do about 1 cup of chocolate chips, but I don't really measure those. Okay, mix those in. Alright. And I'm just gonna add a dash of oil. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes.